Well, hey guys, this is DK Spencer, and this is a FSC or TCP 12-gram Grimberg magazine. This one is leaking when you pierce it, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. And all you need is a brand new valve for it. So really, I'm just showing you how to replace a valve. But anyway, first move is you take your door off. Take your spring out, take your follower out, and then there's one screw that's bigger than the others. All these are small. So this is the size of the two little screws on the side of the FSC, because they got to make stuff difficult. And this is the size of the one underneath the rail and on the butt of it. So you got one that is a little bigger size, which ironically it's a smaller screw. Go figure. They just want to be difficult. So very simply, if you be careful, you don't even have to move this guy. Take that out. Make sure the piercing end is down. Drop it back down in there, gently slip it back over, and put everything back together. Now, as you see, I wasn't smooth enough, so you can pull these apart. Make sure you don't lose your little rubber part, and it's going to be easier just to go ahead, slide your spring off, slide your rod out, put everything back together. Boop. Easier with an electric screwdriver, but whatever. Alright, snug that guy up. Make sure these guys are snug. Make sure you got that in the right position. All that looks good and groovy. Then you're going to take your spring. You're going to put it down in this little hole. You want to turn it so that the loop that this is going to go through is in an orientation that you can get to. You're gonna, and it helps to twist it when you're doing it. Get it to go through there. Hopefully all this was in focus. Put your little rubber end back on this side. Follower back in, put your spring back in, and put your cap back on. And you are ready to rock and roll. Alright, so if everything works right, then instead of when you pierce it, it going and you have to click it down real fast and try to tighten the heck out of it, it should work much better. So very important, another thing very important to remember, just to recap, if you're shooting shape projectiles, Wixon follower, red springs, and when you're loading them, very important, load them like a pistol. Well, it's kind of like a pistol, but don't load them like you're loading balls. If you do, like, and what I mean by that, here, when you load balls in these, you lock it back and you just drop the balls in like that. Don't do that with shaped projectiles. If you do, you will get jams for sure. because the reason you want the red spring is to hold that tension so that they can't flip. If you pull that all the way down like that, they're probably going to flip before you ever put them in the launcher. So all right. So don't lock them back. Insert gently. All right. Then let's see. That's how she should pierce. Oh, way better. All right, now let's see if she shoots like she should. Whew, that thing thumps. Good times, son. Good times.